Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking to you of how I made this excavator. Now for you old people, you might remember what this is made out of and how it works. But before I can start, I would like to say thank you for helping me out, subscribing, liking and commenting on all my previous videos. I have an important announcement. I'll be scheduling all my videos to be posting Friday 5 p.m. PST. Other than that, alternate Thursdays I'll be posting tutorials for you guys who are new to Arduino and would like to learn more. The tutorial will include how to code Arduino, a few basic sensors, how to control motors, relays, displays, which is basically a basic overview of what you need and how you can get better like me. So let's get into the video. Now, you might have recognized this. What is this? This is my previous Roboduino. It had a camera on the back, Arduino Uno, a custom shield, a battery pack, and a servo on the front. Now what happened to that? Well, the camera sort of busted out and stopped working. So the camera was still able to send footage, but no data was received by the Arduino Uno, which meant it stopped working. But luckily, they had a slot over here for a 8C05 Bluetooth module, which I already had. So I put that 8C05 Bluetooth module in there, which then let me make a Bluetooth controlled instead of Wi-Fi. Now, what have I done here? So 4 wheels are same. I would have preferred tracks but couldn't. Then, so there was this servo on the bottom which controlled the movement of the ultrasonic sensor. That became the 360-degree thing. Then I put a servo on the top which was same as the camera mount, so this axis will work. Then I made a cardboard structure to do this, and then lastly the bucket which would do this. So luckily the Roboduino custom board had slots for 4 servos. The kit included 3 and I had 1 servo, which meant this was a perfect project. Now, what app was I using, you might ask? So here I have the Bluetooth serial controller 16, which gives me 16 buttons to use from, which I hid a few so it would look like this. So I have my custom features like forward, backward, left, right, bucket down, bucket up, arm down, arm up, arm left and right, and then arm 2 up and down. This app was great because you can go to preferences and you could customize everything from what command you want to send to what the button should be named. So yeah, now let's take a look at how it works, then we'll take a look at the code. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's my robot. So one cool feature about using a servo is if I randomize its position and then when I turn the robot on, it'll just go back to its position which it's set to, and you can customize it to each degree. So now on the top of the screen you might be able to see my app. So let's start with the key features. Here there's a connect. What it does is it lets you select your device. In this case I have a 8C05 Bluetooth module. In preferences you can customize every single thing, including name, which is forward, backward, left, right, from command, which does which letter or which thing it should broadcast to the Arduino to understand, visibility, which buttons you want visible and which you don't, and lastly repeatable, which means like how many times do you want it to repeat and in how many milliseconds. So forward, backward, left, right, simple commands. Then bucket down and bucket up controls this servo right here. which is connected on a screw. So wait, let me take the arm up. So the problem with this is you have to spam on the button for it to do, because it moves 1 degree every time you press the button. Now let's see bucket down and bucket up. So as you can see, you have to press the button and it takes some time to move. So that was bucket up and down. Arm up and down is the same. So what the one problem is that the servos are small and there's a bit of weight here, so it takes some time and some effort, but otherwise here's left and right. And this is the second arm, which went out of the camera shot. I was really hoping to put 2 joysticks, but unfortunately I couldn't. So here's what we have. Okay, now let's go take a look at the code. Alright guys, so I have some soil over here, as you can see. Sorry, it's a bit windy and you might not be able to hear me. But so I'm gonna be filling this spot up with soil. I'm gonna be time-lapsing this since it's a very slow process and probably won't be any fun for you guys to watch every 4 degrees of movement. So So guys, I've put 2 scoops in. Let's put a few more in and then we'll stop. So let me just show you what I've gotten. So, oops, I've gotten a bit soil and there's the bigger thing. So I'm gonna place the tripod back here and let's continue filling. So guys, as you can see, I have almost emptied the tray and the pot is almost filled. But look at this, how much of a mess it can make. So yeah, I guess this was a success, but I think I can make it better. So my next video, or maybe a few videos later, will be an improvisation of what this is. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember, alternate Fridays 5 p.m. EST, my tutorials will be on. The first tutorial will be going over what parts you need, what you can learn, and a basic overview of the course. The second tutorial will talk about the components, the code, input, output, pin mode, and setting up a basic code. And the class will go on like that, the tutorials. So please, if subscribe with the post notifications so you don't miss out on that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.